my dear students. Hope all are doing good and safe too. So we are discussing the problems based on surface area and volumes. In that section, we already completed the surface area, lateral surface area and volume of cuboid and cube. And we just go through the formulas for cylinders also. CSA of the cylinder, total surface area of the cylinder and volume of the cylinder. And CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH and total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi R into R plus H and the volume of the cylinder is pi R square H. And we done three problems from this section also. And in that problems, one homework question, some students have doubt. So we discuss that first and after that we will move to the next question. Okay, the homework question, all of you, can you take the question 13.2 exercise 13.2 second question. Third question. Okay, that is a little bit concept oriented, that's why it's, listen here please. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Long means height. Okay, the height of the cylinder is equal to 77 centimeter. Okay, next is the inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. So inner diameter is equal to 4 centimeter. So inner radius will be equal to what? Inner radius will be equal to what? 2 centimeter. Okay, then outer diameter is given as what? Given in the question as 4.4. Is it 4.4 centimeter? So outer radius will be equal to half of this, that is 4.4 by 2 is 2.2 centimeter. These much things we have to read from the question itself. Then, three questions you want to find. First one is inner CSA. Okay, that is you can easily find. First one is inner CSA. Inner CSA formula is 2 pi RH. So I put R1H. R1 is, listen here, inner surface area means this, like this, listen here. So one cylinder is there. Okay, in the cylinder inside one more cylinder is there. So I am not good in drawing, so you please imagine this is two cylinders. Okay, listen here. So this cylinder, okay, that is the inner cylinder and inner radius is given as you got as 2. And this outer portion, just considering a pipe. Okay, I didn't get the model for that, that's why. Take one pipe, okay. And if you are taking the pipe, what we got as then outer portion is there and also inner portion is there and in between some space is there. Okay, so okay, listen here please. If you go through this cap itself, inner one circle is there, outer one circle is there, in between gap is there, is it? That is in between these two, this is the gap between two cylinders. Now I think you understood. So inner surface area means inside cylinder you have to find the surface area and outer means outer surface area you want to find. Okay, so listen here, inner surface area is R1, that is 2 into pi value is what? 22 by 7. Radius is given as 2 into height is given as what? 77. So but 11. So 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into what? 22. 44 into 22 is what? 88. 8. So 8, 6, 9. 968. So that is 968 centimeter square is inner CSA. Okay. So hope you clear this much things. So please write down this much portions. Okay, next we need outer. Is it outer portion is outer CSA will be equal to what? 2 pi. So outer I will mark as capital S, nothing else, but it represents outer, that's only, into H, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as 4.4 by 2, that is 2.2 into height is given as 77. So cancelling 11. So you want 2 into 22 is 44. So 44 into 22. That is you already got, is it? Yes, 968. That into 11. That is, what is answer? 8. 14, 4 remainder 1. Then 10, 16, 6 remainder 1. 10648. That is A mass equal to 10648. And one decimal place you have to put the point here and centimeter square you want to write. So 1064.8 centimeter square. Okay. But next one is what? Total surface area we need to find. Is it? Total surface area means what? Is this cylindrical portion CSA of the cylinder you want to find, and CSA of the inner you want to find, outer you want to find, and top one base and bottom also one base is there. So you want to find the area of the base. So the portion is like this. Is it? Base portion. So this is the what? Ring. Okay. How will you calculate the area of this? That means area of the big circle minus area of the small circle gives area of the shaded region. Is it? So top one base is there, down one base is there. So two rings are there. Is it? So you want to find the area of the ring. Why we are moving like this? Because we want to find the what? Total surface area. Is it? Third question is total surface area. Total surface area means what? The CSA of this small cylinder plus CSA of this big cylinder plus then here top one and bottom two bases are there. Is it? And you want to find the area of the one base first, and that into 2 gives the area of two bases. Is it clear? So for that purpose we need area of this base. Area of this base represents what is the form? This is form a ring. Is a ring form. So how will you find the area of this ring? How will you find the area of the ring? Area of the big circle minus area of the small circle. Clear ആയ പറഞ്ഞത്? അതായത് ഈ ഒരു ഫിഗറിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് രണ്ട് പോർഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ് തേർഡ് പാർട്ട് ടോട്ടൽ സർഫസ് ഏരിയ ആണ്. ടോട്ടൽ സർഫസ് ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് കാണുന്നത്? ഏതൊക്കെ പോർഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്? അതായത് ഈ ഒരു ഇന്നർ സിലിണ്ടറിന്റെ പോർഷൻ ഉണ്ട്, പിന്നെ ഔട്ടർ സിലിണ്ടറിന്റെ പോർഷൻ ഉണ്ട്, പിന്നെ രണ്ട് ബേസ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ. ഇനി ഈ ബേസ് ഏത് ഫോമിൽ ഇങ്ങനെയല്ലേ ഇരിക്കണം, അതായത് ഈ റിംഗ് ഫോമിലല്ലേ ഇരിക്കണേ. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ എങ്ങനെ? വെറുതെ സർക്കിൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ, വെറുതെ നോർമൽ സിലിണ്ടർ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? രണ്ട് സർക്കിളിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതിയായിരുന്നല്ലേ. അതായത് പൈ ആർ സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് പൈ ആർ സ്ക്വയർ നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ ഫോമിൽ 2πr/r+s ചെയ്താൽ മതിയായിരുന്നു. ബട്ട് ഹിയർ അത് റിംഗ് ഫോമിലാണ് വരുന്നത്. അതായത് ഇന്നറും ഔട്ടറും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതെപ്പോഴും ഏത് ഫോം ആയിരിക്കും? റിംഗ് ഫോമിലായിരിക്കും. റിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അറിയാമല്ലോ, വളയം പോലെ. അപ്പം ഈ ഒരു തിക്നെസ് ആണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഈ ഒരു തിക്നെസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ വലിയ സർക്കിളിൽ നിന്ന് ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് ചെറിയ സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. വലിയ സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? πr². ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ആറിലെ റേഡിയസ് πr² നിന്ന് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇന്നർ സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഏരിയ കിട്ടും അല്ലേ. ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരെണ്ണമാണോ ഉള്ളതല്ല, രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഉണ്ടല്ലേ, ടോപ്പിലും ബോട്ടത്തിലും ഇല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലല്ലേ ടോട്ടൽ കിട്ടുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? യു ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദിസ് ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദിസ് റിംഗ് ഫസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം സെക്കൻഡ് പോർഷൻ കൂടെ എഴുതി, സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറും കൂടെ എഴുതിയിട്ട് തേർഡിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് ആണ്. സോ തേർഡിന് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, എന്നിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. സോ വി നീഡ് ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് റിംഗ് ഫസ്റ്റ്. Area of ring first. I think you already know what is the area of the ring. Area of the ring is what? Pi capital R², that is big in the portion, minus pi small r². Okay. So pi is common. Capital R² minus small r². That is 22/7 into capital R is means what? Yes, already given in the question as what? Radius is given as 2.2. Is it outer radius 2.2? So 2.2 square minus 2 square. Okay, that is 22/7 into 2.2 square is what? Yes, please. 22 into 22, 484. So 4.84 minus 4. Okay, so that gives us, so 22/7 into 0.84/7, it is 0.12. So what is answer? 22 into 0.12, that is equal to 22 into 12. 264, that is equal to 264 by 2 places 2.64 centimeter square is the area of the ring. 2.64 centimeter, but only one ring or two rings are there. Top one base is there, down also one ring, two rings are there, is it? So you want to find the total surface area. So please write down this much portions. Okay, listen here. So total surface area is equal to what? Inner CSA plus outer CS. ഇതിൽ ഡൗട്ട് ഇല്ലല്ലോ. അകത്തെ റിങ്ങും പുറത്തെ റിങ്ങും പിന്നെ എന്തും കൂടെ വേണം പ്ലസ് 2 ടൈംസ് ഏരിയ ഓഫ് റിങ്. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് 2 ടൈംസ് വന്നത് മനസ്സിലായോ? കാരണം ടോപ്പിൽ 1 റിങ് ഉണ്ട്, ഡൗൺ ഓൾസോ 1 റിങ് is there. So inner CSA you already got as 968, is it? And outer CSA now you got as what? 1000. What is the answer? 1064.8 plus 2 times area of one ring is what? 2.64. That is equal to what this gives? 2.64 into 2. That is 8, 12, 5. So 968 plus 10,064.8 plus 5.28. So adding what you got? 1064.8, 968, 5.28. While adding what you got? 8, 0, remainder 1. So 12, 13, 18, 8, remainder 1. 13, 3, remainder 1, 0, remainder 1. So answer will be what? 2038.08 centimeter square is the total surface area of this portion, that is the ring. Ring we can't say the total surface area of this point or this figure, not point, this figure. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് മറന്നു പോലെ നോർമലി നമ്മൾ സിലിണ്ടറിനെ വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇന്നർ സി എസ് എയും ഔട്ടർ സി എസ് എയും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യത്തുള്ളൂ, ബട്ട് യു ഡിഡ്ന്റ് came into mind about the concept of ring. So that thing you have to kept in your mind. Okay. So I hope you clear the homework question doubts. So next we'll move to the next question from the textbook itself. Okay. Next we'll move to page 13.2, same exercise, fourth question. You are difficult with this previous question, that is little bit tough question. So you are already in a down way, so I'll give you simple questions. Okay. After that we'll move to the type questions. Okay. Then listen here, fourth question. Diameter of a roller is 84. Diameter of the roller is given as 84 centimeter. So what is the radius? Will be what? Half of this, that is 42 centimeter. Okay. Then and length means height is given as 120 centimeter. Hope you clear these two concepts. And it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level the ground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. Okay, listen here. This is consider this as roller, and this is rolling around along the round, is it? So that represents what? CSA. If we didn't take the top and bottom of the cylinder, is it? While we are rolling like this only, so that means you are rolling what? The CSA of the cylinder. So you have to find the CSA of the cylinder is equal to, formula is what? 2 pi RH, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as 42 and height is given as what? 120. Okay. So 7 and this cancel, 6 you got. So 44 into 6, 24, 4 remainder 2. 24 plus 2 is 26 into 120. So 0, 8, 12, 2 remainder 1, 5, 4, 6, 2. So 0, 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 11, 1 remainder 1. So the answer will be what? 31680 centimeter square is our CSA of the cylinder. But one thing, it is in centimeter square. But our question is what? Our question is from meter square, is it? So listen here, you want to convert centimeter square to meter square. That means you have to divide it by 100 into 100. Because centimeter to meter is divided by 100. So centimeter square to meter square is divided by 100 into 100. So CSA in meter square will be equal to what? 31680 divided by 100 into 100 meter square. That is equal to 10 cancel. So 1, 2, 3 places you want to make to put the decimal place. That is 3.168 meter square is our answer. Hope you clear this concept. Not the total, only we got meter square. But our question is what? 500 revolutions. This is only what? One revolution answer is this. Okay, so you will need to find 500 revolutions. So please write down this much thing. Okay, so you write CSA of the playground. CSA of the playground not need, but in the area of the playground itself. CSA not. Cursor will say not area. Okay, area of the playground will be equal to what? How many revolutions are there? 500. So 500 into our answer. Our answer is 3.168 meters square. That will be equal to what? 3168 into 500. So 20, 40, 0, remainder 4, 30 plus 4, 34, 4, remainder 4, 8, and then 5 plus 3, 15. So the answer is 158430. So how many decimal places are? 3 decimal places. Okay, so the answer will be 1584 meter square is our answer. Okay, hope you clear this concept. So please write down after this. Please write down these many things. Okay, so please write down. Next we move to the 10th question. Okay, 10th question. The question is, in the figure, if you see the frame of a lampshade, it is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter. So diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. So radius will be equal to what? 10 centimeter. Okay, and then what is given? And the height is 30. Height means h is equal to 30 centimeter. Clear? And margin of 2.5 is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. That means ഈ lampshade cover ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒരു 2.5 centimeter മാർജിൻ ഉണ്ട്. മാർജിൻ മീൻസ് ഇത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഇതിനെ ഒന്ന് കവർ ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി മുകളിലോട്ട് കുറച്ച് പോർഷൻ നിൽക്കൂലേ, അതുപോലെ താഴെയും കവർ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ താഴെയും കുറച്ച് പോർഷൻ നിൽക്കൂലേ, ആ അഡീഷണൽ പോർഷൻസ് യു മാർ ഗിവൺ ആസ് 2.5 and here also 2.5. So what is the length of the cylinder? That is this total cylinder plus ഈ റേസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ടോപ്പിലെയും ബോട്ടം കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ വേണ്ടേ? So what we can write? Height will be equal to what? 30 plus ടോപ്പിൽ റേസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന 2.5 and down also 2.5. That gives 30 plus 5, that is 35 centimeter. Clear ആയ എങ്ങനെയാണ് 35 ആയെന്നുള്ളത്? Okay, now it is easy to find how many cloth required. So CSA or cloth required, that is enough. Cloth required is equal to CSA of cylinder. What is the CSA of the cylinder formula? 2 pi RH, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is what? 10 into height is we got as 35. So cancelling 5, that is equal to 44 into 5, 50. Is it? Remainder to 20, 22. So the answer will be 2200 centimeter square is our answer. 2200 centimeter square is our answer. Okay, next question. The students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making a decorative pen holders. Listen here. In the shape of a cylinder with the base using cardboard. That is, you already know what is a pen holder. When it plays here, then this represents cylinder. And one base is there. What is the base there? Circle. So cylinder plus circle gives a total pen stand or pen holder. Okay. Each pen holder was of radius 3 centimeter and height 10.5. So radius is given as 3 centimeter and height is given as what, 10.5 centimeter. Okay. And the Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboards. Here there were 35 competitors. How much cardboard were required to brought for the competition? So how many competitors are the 35? Before that we need to find the CSA, is it? So what is, how much, that is cardboard required for a pen holder. So because why we are writing a pen holder, because we need to find what, how many 35 competitors, how many cardboards are in that you have to find. That's why we are writing cardboard required for a pen holder is equal to 2 pi rs plus what, circle also there, is it? That is pen is holding in a circle. So here circle shape is there. Circle, area of circle is pi r square. So that is equal to what, 2 into, so pi is common in both these. So we can, pi r is common. Remaining is what, pi and r is common. Remaining here 2s plus pi already take. Here also r is there. That is 22 by 7 into radius is what, 3 into 2 into 10.5 plus 3. Okay. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into 3 into 10.5 into 2 is what, 21. 21 plus 3 is what, 24. Okay, so that gives us, so please find the value of this. Okay, shall we do the answer? So what you got as, here 22 into 3 is 66, is it? 66 into 24 by 24, 4 remainder to 24 plus 2 is 26, then 12 to remainder 1, 132, so 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1, that is 1584 by 7. But how much competitors are there? 35, is it? So write down total area of the cardboard is equal to what? 1584 divided by 7 into how many are there? 35. Okay, so please find out the answer. Here 7 and 35 are cancelled 5. So just we need to find what is 1584 into 5. Please find out. So the answer will be 7920 centimeter square. 7920 centimeter square is our answer. So please write down. Okay, listen here. 13.2 9th question. The last question from this section, and others 3 questions as previous homework. Okay. So find the lateral or CSA of a area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter. So diameter is equal to 4.2 meter. So radius will be equal to what, by 2, that is 2.1 meter. And one more thing is given, height is 4.5, is it? Height is equal to 4.5 meters. So both quantities are in meters, so we don't need to convert that. First question is what CSA, is it? CSA is equal to 2 pi rs, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2.1, height is equal to 4.5. So cancel 0.3. So what you got? 44 into 3. 44 into 3. So 12 to remainder 1. 12, 13. Okay, into 45 you want to find. 0 remainder 1. 66 remainder 1. 68. 12 to remainder 1. So 0. 14, 4 remainder 1. Then 5. And so our answer is what? 5940. Yes, 5940. Then how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So the answer will be 59.40 meter square is the answer of the first part. So please write down 59.4 meter square. The next concept is important. Listen here. How much steel was required actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in മേക്കിംഗ് ദ ടാങ്ക്. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് ആക്ച്വൽ ടാങ്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കണമെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ 1/12 പാർട്ട് എന്താണ്, വെറുതെ വേസ്റ്റ് ആണ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പം ടോട്ടൽ ഉണ്ട്, ആ ടോട്ടലിൻ്റെ 1/12 വേസ്റ്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ബാലൻസ് എത്ര വരും? ബാലൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഏരിയ എന്നാണ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ എ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ എയിൽ നിന്ന് എയുടെ 1/12 സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ എയിൽ നിന്ന് മീൻസ് ഫ്രം എ യു ഹാവ് ടു സബ്ട്രാക്ട് a/12, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് a മൈനസ് a/12. അപ്പോൾ എന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് ഈ ഏരിയ എത്ര കിട്ടും അല്ലേ. ഇനി നമുക്കറിയാം ഇതിൻ്റെ ടോട്ടൽ സർഫസ് ഏരിയ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സെയിം ആസ് ദിസ് വൺ അല്ലേ. അതായത് ടാങ്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞ ശേഷമുള്ള ഏരിയ ആണ് എന്തെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതിനകത്ത് കിട്ടൂലേ. അപ്പോൾ അതിനകത്ത് നിന്ന് എന്ത് മൈനസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി, ആ എയിൽ നിന്ന് a/12 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒറിജിനലിൻ്റെ ടോട്ടൽ സർഫസ് ഏരിയ കിട്ടും, അതിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കില്ലേ. ഓക്കെ, സോ പ്ലീസ് ഇത്ര വരെ എഴുതുക, എന്നിട്ട് ഞാൻ പറയാം. സോ പ്ലീസ് റൈറ്റ് ഡൗൺ അപ് ടു ദിസ് വൺ, ദിസ് മച്ച് ഓൺലി, അതേഴ്സ് ഐ വിൽ സേ. So then you need TSA, second part answer. TSA will be equal to, what is the formula, 2 pi r into r plus h, that is equal to 2 into 22/7 into, what is the radius that is given in the question, 4.2, that is 2.1. okay, into 2.1 plus, and height is given as 4.5, so that is equal to this will be cancelled, 0.3 will come. So 44 into 0.3 into, while adding this 6.6 will come. So how to multiply 64 into 66 into 44, 24, 4 remainder 2, 26, 24 plus 2 is 26, and 264 same quantity will come because it is same digits, remainder 1, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9, so 2904, that into what you have to find, 3 you have to find, 12, 2 remainder 27, 2 remainder 2, 3 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer will be 8712. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Centimeter square is the total surface area. Okay, so please write down up to this. Okay, next we want to equate. Before that you have to write, let A be the area of a required sheet. A be the area of the required sheet. So what we can write, TSA will be equal to, TSA of the cylinder will be equal to what, A minus a/12, that is A into 1/12 is same as a/12. okay, so TSA is given as 87.12 will be equal to, by cross multiplying, 12A minus a/12, so that is equal to 12A minus a is 11A/12. so 8712 is equal to what, 11A/12. so that means what, by moving to this side, so 8712 into 12 you have to find, so 4 2 14, 4 remainder 17, 2 1 7 8, so 4 4 5 4 remainder 1 10. That's the answer will be what, 104, and crossing, that is 87.12 into 12 is equal to 11A. So 104,544. So how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. Okay, is equal to 11A. So A will be equal to what, 1045.44 divided by 11. So all of you please find the value for A. Okay, what is the answer you got? 1045.44 divided by 12. 9 times only will come 99. So 5, 5. Okay. So here 9. So 5 times 55. Then 0.4 will come. Then will not come 0. Then 44 4 times. So the answer will be 95.04 centimeter square is our answer. Centimeter square or meter square according to our question. This meter square is it? Sorry. Yes. Meter square is our answer. So please write down the remaining portions. Okay, next all of you please take the textbook page number 229. From that question, example 13. Okay, listen here. The pillars, you already know how to find the volume of the cylinder. What is the formula? Pi r square h. Okay, so listen here. The pillars of a temple are cylindrically shaped. If each pillar has circular base of radius 20, so please mark that radius of the cylinder is 20 centimeter and height is 10 meter. Height will be equal to 10 meter. That is equal to 1000 centimeter. So both quantities are in measure centimeter. How much concrete mixture would be required to build 14 such pillars? So concrete mixture, we want to find concrete mixture means it represents volume. Okay. So volume of the cylinder is equal to, or volume of the pillar is equal to what? Pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into 20 into 20 into height is 1000. Okay. So that means centimeter cube. Clear? But actually our question is what? How much concrete mixture you want to find? Is it? Yes, this much enough. Okay, and then that will be equal to, and if you want to convert in meter cube, how can we write? 22 by 7 into 20 into 20 into 1000 divided by meter cube only. Meter square, you want to convert, divide by 100 into 100. So meter cube, how will you convert? 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, so that much meter cube. Did you identify the difference? Here it is in centimeter scope. If we want to convert into meter cube, for that purpose what we are doing is we have to divide by 100 into 100 into 100. 3 times you want to divide by 100. That is equal to 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 2 zeros cancel, again 1 more zeros cancel. So answer is 22 into 4. 22 into 4 is 88 by 7 into 10 is 70 is our volume of what? One cylinder, that is meter cube. But we need how many pillars? In the question it is given as what? 14 such pillars, is it? So you can write volume of 14 pillars is equal to, volume of 14 pillars is equal to 14 into 88 by 70. Okay. So by 7 it is 2, by 7 it is 10. So that is 88 into 2 is what? 196 by 10. That is equal to 19.6 meter cube. So our answer is what? 19.6. Sorry, 19 not 176 by my mistake only. Okay, 176 point. Sorry, 176 not 17.6 meter cube is our answer. 17.6 meter cube will be our answer. Okay, so please write down. Next is very simple question, but question when you see it, that is big. At a Ramzan Mela, a stall keeper in one of the food stalls has a large cylindrical vessel of base radius 15 and fill up to the height of 32 centimeter with orange juice. So that means vessel, big vessel is there. Vessel and radius is given as what? Vessel radius is 15 centimeter and height is given as what? 32 centimeter. This is a big vessel and that contains what? Orange juice. Okay. Next, the juice is filled in small cylindrical glasses. So this is the vessel and we need small cylindrical glasses. Small cylindrical glasses and its radius is given as what? Its radius is given as 3 centimeter and height is given as what? 8 centimeter and sold for rupees 3. So how much money does the stall keeper receive by selling the juice completely? അതായത് പിക്ചറും കൂടെ നോക്കുക. അതായത് വലിയൊരു വെസൽ ഉണ്ട്, അതിൻ്റെ റേഡിയസും ഹൈറ്റും are given and that is poured in the small glasses and each glass has a radius 3 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. So first of all you want to find each glass's price is given as 3 rupees, is it? So first of all you want to find the number of glasses. How will you find the number of glasses? Is equal to volume of the vessel divided by volume of small glass. Is it? Volume of the vessel by volume of the small glass. So volume of the vessel is pi r square h, is it? So pi into vessel radius is 15 into 15 into height is 32. Okay, volume of the small glass, that is also cylindrical shape. So pi into radius is what? 3. So 3 into 8. Okay, so pi and pi are cancelled and cancel 5 here. Here also 5 here. Here also 4. So 5 into 4 20, 20 into 5 is 100. What number of glasses is 100? Is it okay? So when you are done by separately, your tendency to find the calculation. So here no need to find the calculation, only just simple cutting. Then you got the answer. Okay, but our question is what? The cost of 100 glasses will be equal to what? 100, sorry, yes, cost of 100 glasses will be equal to 100 into cost of 1 glass is how much rupees? 3. That is equal to 300 rupees. That is our answer. So the cost of 100 glasses will be equal to 300 rupees. Okay, so hope you clear today's section. Before wind up our section, I'll write here on the board what is the homework question. So please listen that also. Okay, listen here. Homework questions. All of you please mark. Exercise 13.2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 5 and question number 8. 3 questions are homework. I will explain that also. Listen here. Second question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter for a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheets are required for the same? Okay. So here the height is given as 1 meter. So that we have to convert into centimeter. That is 100 centimeter. Okay. And diameter is 140, so radius will be equal to 70 centimeter. So here we need closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank means it represents total surface area. So total surface area of the cylinder is equal to what is the formula? 2 pi r into r plus a. Just substitute there. Okay, and you got the answer in centimeter square, is it? So you want to convert that into meter square, that is, and your answer divided by 100 into 100 gives our final answer. Okay, that is the second question. And then we will move to the fifth question. A cylindrical pillar of 50 cm in diameter and 3.5 meter in length. Find the cost of painting the CSA of the pillar at a rate of 12.50 per meter square. Here one quantity in centimeter and another in meter. So you want to convert the centimeter to meter. So 50 centimeter is equal to what? 0.5 meter. That you have read. 50 centimeter is equal to 0.5 meter. Okay. And then you want to find what? Yes, formula CSA of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 0.5 into 3.5. So after cancelling, got one answer, and that value into 12.5, that is cost. Okay, cost of the painting is equal to what we got? 12.50 into the above answer, that is CSA of the cylinder. You got the right answer. Okay. Then we will move to the 8th question. In a hot water system, hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Total radiating surface means what? Total radiating surface of the cylinder means what? Can you say what is the total radiating surface of the cylinder? Yes, it represents what? CSA of the cylinder. So not the total surface area. CSA of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder formula 2 pi rs. So just what you have to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is what? Diameter 5. Radius is 5 by 2 you have right. Okay. So diameter is equal to 5 represents radius is equal to 5 by 2 only you want to write. Because sometimes that will be cancelled. Pi value is there. So 22 by 7. 2 and 22 will be cancelled. So you have to write 5 by 2 itself. Okay. And height, length means height is given as 28 meter. So that you can easily find it. One is in centimeter and another is in meter. So you have to convert the length into meter, that is centimeter, that is 280 centimeter. That you have to 280 not 2800 centimeter. That thing you have to write. Or you have to convert that 5 into meters, meter square, meter. That is according to you only. That is the total radiating surface in the system. Okay, so hope you clear today's section. So homework, please mark in the text. Now itself you have to mark and do it. So stay safe in your home itself and do the project. Today is the last date, you already know. So please do it fast and send me soon. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.